right now I'm going to share with you an activity.
Yes, sure, please.
And I am sure this is what I feel in my heart. This simple one activity may transform your life, the life of students
yes.
who have never ever spoken English. Well, take it seriously. The activity will take, I think, just 20 seconds or 25 seconds. My idea is, well, right now, because of course you'll be watching this video and recording. When you reach this part of the activity, pause the video, stop the video, and do the activity I'm going to tell you. And then listen to the rest of the video. But if you are on a bus, don't do this activity there. If you are on a train, don't make a fool of yourself, okay? And if you
the other passengers will be thinking, oh, what's going on here? Has the person got abnormal? Because in our community, it's not a very common practice to always be a learner, whether you are traveling on a boat, whether you are moving in a train, whether you are in a voyage or in traveling or at an aeroplane. But we have to create a culture, learn all the time, everywhere, every moment, wherever you are. We have to create this culture of mutual learning and sharing, and that's why we are here for you.
Okay, right. The activity I'm going to share is very, very simple, but very, very useful. Here's the activity. Make your first video if you have never made a video. Speak 5 sentences. Make your video consisting of just 5 sentences. I have given an outline. When we ask a student, okay, make your first video an introductory video, make a self-introduction video, students don't make.
Okay.
The overwhelming majority.
Yes.
So just
same happens. Sorry to interrupt you. Same happens in our classrooms, in language classrooms, when we are teaching at university English language courses, and we are telling them, okay, you have to write your essay in this way. You have to organize introductory paragraph in the body and the argument. But very few students are there who actually practically do that. So students, take it seriously and do it, please.
Okay. Well, shoot a video and fill in the blanks. Well, speak the sentence. My name is like Kabir, Jain, Margia, whatever your name is.
My name is Qasim.
Kundan Kumar, one of my friends from India. Number 2 sentence. I was born in. You can tell the name of your city. I was born in Delhi, London, Shanghai, Tokyo.
That's
or
nice.
I was born in 1990, 2001, etc.
Will they have the same answers, or just putting the name of city, or can they add something here like I was born?
If they want to add, they can add.
Okay.
But if they can't, if they think that they can't speak English, this activity is for them.
Okay.
Number 3, I am dash years old. I am 19 years old. I am 21 years old. I am 40 years old. Number 4, I can speak dash languages. I can speak 4 languages. I can speak 5 languages. I can speak 2 languages. 5, I want to become a dash. I want to become a teacher. I want to become a lawyer. I want to become a business person. Yes. So this is an activity.
I have got a little idea. So when you are saying, I think if students are saying, I want to become a doctor, like they can use one word here to fill the blank space, or they can use some short phrases like, I want to become a doctor in the future.
Yes,
I want to become an artist in coming 5 years.
Right.
I want to become a president of United States of America. So I think if in the beginning you may use one word here, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, I want to become a father, I want to become a husband. So after that you can use some short phrases at the end. I want to become a great student in eyes of my teachers. So in that way, I think students can extend their sentences to make long sentences gradually.
Yes. So the idea is shoot this video, and after shooting this video, upload it to your own WhatsApp status. Share it with your fellows and friends, and if you have joined some WhatsApp groups, share it with them as well, with your fellows. And if you are on Facebook, share this activity on Facebook as well. What will be the result? People will appreciate you. I am sure that people will appreciate you. They will tell you how great you are.
And what will happen if they laugh at me if I am sharing on my social media accounts and saying, oh, look at it, his pronunciation is not correct, oh, he has grammar mistakes. Should I have a fear of sharing my English videos if I am a student?
Well, in the first place, because you'll be using this model, of course, you won't be making mistakes. This is what I can feel, number one. And number
Best chance of making mistakes.
yes, number two, if somebody makes fun of you, laughs at you, then what you can do? Okay, take the other side of the page. Here, draw two columns. In the one column, write down the people who appreciate you, who appreciate your English.
Okay.
And write down the names of the people who condemn your English, who denounce your English. Okay. If anyone denounces your English, write down their names and cross it out. Don't meet them for 1 month.
Okay.
I am Muhammad
That's a
Hanif.
good
I
idea.
appreciate you. I appreciate you, even though I don't know where you are living, whether you are living in Kenya, I have friends from many different countries, like from Arab world, from
Yes,
America,
we have students from Syria,
Canada,
from Damascus,
from different
and we
countries.
have many different lands.
They are
African
in touch with
students as well.
Okay, the people who admire you, who say something good about your English, about your video, okay, say them thank you. And the one who, of course, I can bet with you, really, I can bet with you, when you post the video, most people will appreciate you. Only a few will criticize you. The people who criticize you, okay, don't respond to them, and don't meet them if it's possible for you, for 1 month.
They will be angry that the person is having a distance with us because we have discouraged him on English.
Oh,
It will be making people apart. Let them have united. What do you say for that?
Okay.
What should be the motivation of
Okay,
being away from those people?
all right, okay, of course we shouldn't separate from other people, you are right. Then what we can say, in our mind we can have two columns, we can have two, what we can say, chambers in our mind.
Okay.
In one chamber where people appreciate us, we should think of those people, and the people who don't appreciate our English, I think we should mentally, delete their names for 1 month. I mean, as far as English is concerned, we should socialize them, we should mix up with them socially, but as far as English is concerned, we shouldn't take them seriously. Well,
So
I am speaking English right
yes,
now.
yes, please.
Of course, there must be some Britons, some Americans, or some people from New Zealand whose English is better than me. If they write down in the comment, Hanif, your English is really bad English. Shut up. Don't speak another word. I don't understand you. I don't like your English. Okay. What do you think? What I should do? If 3% give this type of comment, should I take them seriously, or should I take seriously the persons who say, okay, Hanif, well done, excellent. You have motivated us. You have encouraged us to speak English. So today we are able to speak English. I am sure I will take seriously the people who appreciate me. Anyone who says, Hanif, your English is really bad English, your English, I'm not going to take them seriously.
Yes, I think that's the problem, that we always look into the dark side of the picture, and we are worried about, many times we think, oh, what people would say, oh, what people will think of me. Students, people have to leave you sooner or later. What will go with you in your lifetime, that is your learning, that will be accompanying you in the future life. And I think we must be very much confident about our way of learning, our teaching. We must follow our own passion. If you are committed, if you are dedicated, if you are a passion, like Jesus Christ told his followers, don't feel afraid of being hated and despised. People always hated and despised the people of truth. So we are moving on the right direction. We should have not a fear of the public opinion. Like Stephen R. Covey in 7 Habits, but he actually mentioned that don't be influenced by the circumstances and surrounding and situations. Just like Viktor Frankl in Search of Meaning, what he says, when you have a meaning for your life, when you have a cause to do something, when you have a purpose to do something, then you are not much influenced by the people in your surrounding. So when we are clear about our purpose, that why I am speaking, why I am making a video, when you are at a student mate and you are clear about the purpose and cause, then nobody can shake your strong form, and nobody can move you away from doing anything. So just now, after listening to Mr. Muhammad Hanif, let's take steps now, move forward towards that direction. When tomorrow you will enter in your classroom in front of teacher, try to ask your own questions in English language in the class. And if you are going to participate in the class, speak in English. If you want to talk with your friend in classroom, speak in English. If you want to do chat in WhatsApp communication on social media accounts, instead of using your native language, use the language that you want to learn. So I think that is, we have to move towards taking action. We have to move towards taking initiatives instead of saying, oh, many people they come, many students say, sir, please give me some tips. I want to learn English. I want to improve my English. I want to talk in English. So please give me a few tips. But they don't start speaking in English. Even they ask these questions in their native language. So if you really want, someone had a very beautiful line which I read at someone's status, that was, a goal without plan is just a wish. So that's just a desire. We say, I want to learn English. That's just your desire. You don't want. If you want, then you should have a plan and you must execute.